Hi, I'm Max Van from Sportbike Track here, and I'm here to say thank you to all my sponsors in my 2019 We Are race season. Alright, so my first ever race season, I was very fortunate to do 4 race weekends, and I got 12 first places and 2 second places. Before I go any further, I want to thank you guys, everybody that's bought stuff and supported STG, because without you guys, I wouldn't be able to race or do anything. And I'd like to thank my mom and dad this season. I love you guys very much, and thank you to my dad for building these 2 awesome race bikes right here, and for all the life teachings and life lessons. I'd also like to thank my mom for the life teaching and the life lessons. Also the support. She was behind my back for every decision I had this season. Also, Dave Bavel from Sportbike Tire Service, he was working really hard this season. Flipping my tires, changing my tires, thank you. I appreciate it. Also, Jimmy Fox, one of our employees here, he was actually at the GNF in my last race weekend, helped me out fixing my bike when I crashed it with my dad. Thank you guys very much. I'm very fortunate to ride in some of the best protective safety gear in the world. My Alpinestars missile suit, I crashed that thing 5 times this season. I walked away with no injuries, and the thing held up great. My Alpinestars Tech airbag, that thing is a lifesaver. Trust me, all you guys need it out there. I deployed that thing 3 times this season, and I had some pretty nasty crashes in it, and I walked away with no injuries. My Alpinestars GP Pro R3 gloves, those things held up amazingly. They fit great, and they feel great. And then my Arai Corsair X. Unfortunately, I did hit my head in my last crash, and that thing is unusable anymore. But I was totally fine. Didn't even walk away with a headache, no concussion. And so thank you guys again. Thank you, everybody. And I'm super excited to go back out and do this again in 2020 as an expert racer.